Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, we're taking a look at something quickly today here on the Kubota tractor. This is an L3901HST. And what we're looking at today is the stabilizer bars that were original on the Kubota right here. These are what keep the 3-point stabilized right to left. And these are probably one of the most annoying things about the Kubota that I've found so far. Anytime you do the implement, there's not a lot of flexibility in these rods, so you have to loosen the turnbuckle or tighten the turnbuckle depending on what you need to do to be able to move these lift arms right and left. So I went ahead and installed a set of these adjustable stabilizer arms that are adjusted with this pin. So anytime you need to move the stabilizer arm one way or the other, you pull this pin out. You can move this however you see fit easily here, one way or the other. And then when you get it where you want it, you simply put the pin back in and you're done. You don't have to mess around with adjusting the turnbuckles and tightening them and so on. And if you want to leave it in a spot that has a little bit of movement, you can leave it in one of these spots here and just move it that way. So definitely a good addition to your Kubota. They sell these directly from Kubota as an upgrade for a lot of money, or you can buy them from Amazon or eBay or something like that. I'll link to an option in the description that you can take a look and pick these up. Some of them come as a pair, some of them come singular, so you want to make sure you get the right one so you end up with enough with a pair of them to do the job. So pretty easy to put on. I use some of the hardware from the old ones and also the hardware from the new ones, and it works perfectly. So hope everybody enjoyed the quick video. Check the parts out in the description, and remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.